Hey everyone, today I'm going to be testing out a dry shampoo. The Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Tinted Dry Shampoo. This is in the color medium. Apparently it is new. They have medium, light for light to dark brown hair. I haven't even used this before, so I'm curious. I don't dye my hair or anything, so I think this is great for root touch-ups. That's why they have it tinted now. If you color your hair, you know, this could be great for root touch-ups, so I'm not really sure what this is gonna do to my hair because I don't color it, but I got very greasy hair. I know you can see this. I washed it on Friday and it is Monday, so it's been 3 days. Very greasy right here. I figured why not test this out on camera and just see what this tinted dry shampoo is all about. I've heard good things about the Not Your Mother's brand. Instantly absorbs oil and odor for refreshed hair between washes. I'm hoping this can extend my no wash streak till about Friday. All right, directions pretty easy. Shake vigorously. Hold can 8 to 10 inches away from roots and spray evenly. Massage through with your fingertips. Wash hands to remove residue. But it has a pro tip. It says allow product to briefly absorb before blending. So let's see if this, like, what color. Oh yeah. Oh man, this is gonna darken my hair. Smells good. Okay, I think I'm ready for application. I'm just getting so nervous here. Hold it 8 to 10 inches. I'm just gonna go to town and kind of mix my hair up. Whew, okay, that sure was. Watch out, ladies, this is wild. Gets a little dirty, so you might wanna wash that off. Okay, it said let it absorb for a minute. Now massage with your fingertips. You know, this might be better than other kinds because I noticed a lot of the other kinds get leave a white streak on my hair. So it's kind of cool that this is tinted. All right, now I'm gonna brush. Still a little greasy, so I'm gonna go at it again. Is that allowed? Might want to watch out, make sure I'm like covering my face so it doesn't get on my face and my ears. It feels okay. Okay, I think that second time definitely, yeah. It seems like it adds a little volume. You zoom in. I think it did a good job. So I'm gonna pull my hair back a little, just pin it like this, brush through it a little more and apply my makeup, and then I'll check back in and see how it looks. But so far it feels good. It feels like it refreshed my hair and took away some of that greasy feel. So, you know, don't be afraid to go in with a couple of coats for this. It says this is not a temporary color or root touch-up product. Color can be removed from fingertips or clothes. Okay, so don't use that as a root touch-up. I've been corrected. All right, I'm back. I didn't do my makeup yet. All in all, I don't think this did that good of a job. I feel like from the side and up close, it still looks really greasy. It did a good job of adding some freshness and some good scent. It has a good scent. It adds some nice volume, but like pulled back, it looks pretty greasy still. And from the side, I think it's just really greasy. So this might be really good the day after to extend your shampoo, maybe even 2 days after. But here I am going on 3 days. Maybe that's just maybe it's just time to shower for me. Excuse me, girls. Same product, different day. We're now on Wednesday. Still haven't washed my hair. It has been 5 days since my last hair wash. So if this doesn't put this product to the test, then there's no hope for this product. Why haven't I washed my hair since Friday? Well, let me tell you, by the time I got the kids to bed on Monday and Tuesday, then it was the Bachelor finale. And then after that's over, it's like past 11, I'm going to bed. There's morning time, you might think. Well, it's just you wake up, it's the same old cat and mouse chasing the 3 and 5-year-old, trying to protect the 8-month-old because they try to pick up the 8-month-old and carry her all around the house. Then the 8-month-old's trying to put everything in her mouth, so. If anyone is to test this product out and let you know if it's worth it, it's me, because it's been 5 days and I'm getting a little itchy at this point. But we're gonna see if this freshens up my hair and revives me like I've never been revived. So let's put it to the test. we're gonna do that again just for good luck. All right, let it sit and then scratch away. Give your scalp a nice massage. Forgot over there. Well, I'll be. Doesn't look too bad, does it? That really did freshen up my hair, and I feel like it definitely took away some of the greasiness. Now I'm just a little embarrassed I don't have makeup on. I just want to make sure you're really seeing this. Let's give it one more coat up close. Oh, that feels good. I feel like I'm a dog right now. Just giving my scalp a nice massage. All right, this is definitely irritating my face because I have like a little rash forming. Maybe that's just my nails hitting. Might be my nails hitting the forehead. Oh well. Okay, look at that. You know what? I will say I'm not going out in public just because I'm a little grossed out by myself right now, but it definitely, I feel fresh. It definitely took away that sliminess that you feel when you go 5 days without showering. You know what I'm talking about? And I feel like my hair looks pretty good. It really does give it some nice volume, and it does the best it can at absorbing that oil. So I will say I'm more impressed with it on day 5 than I was on day 3. Maybe I was just being a little too hard on it on day 3, but day 5 I literally had no expectations, and this exceeded my expectations. So you know what? I do think this product's worth it. I still feel like it's not as powdery as the Dry Bar one is. I feel like that one really absorbs the oil well, but this really did a good job at just freshening up my hair and making it look like it's new and renewed and like I just washed it. I feel like it adds some nice volume, some nice freshness. So even if you are 1 day post showering, I think it would really do a good job of freshening up your hair. 2 days, you're gonna look like you got brand new hair. 3 days, don't have any expectations, it'll do good. 4, still going strong. Day 5, still going strong. So let's see how 6 and 7 go. Just kidding. Alrighty, well, I do think this is worth it. You're seeing my firsthand results. I think my hair looks pretty good for not washing it for 5 days. So I really do give this product an A+. Props to you. Props to you. I'm gonna now reach for you when I'm day 7 of not showering next week. But hey, it's good for the hair, right? Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you want me to test out anything else. I am here to give you true and honest results. So see you later. Bye.